If I had a secret that could help you control your blood sugar levels, wouldn't you like to know it? What if I told you that there was a clinically tested supplement that could not only address your glucose, but also help to stimulate your body's metabolic process and support appetite control?
Introducing Gluxion, the all-natural botanical supplement that stabilizes blood sugar, increases energy levels, improves focus, and slows the overall aging process. Gluxion was formulated by using 14 clinically proven botanicals that work in harmony with each other to control metabolic function. Gluxion was created by endocrinologists, is recommended by pharmacists, and trusted by patients.
When my own mother was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, I decided to take action, and I created Gluxion.
Patients are seeing steady blood sugar support, better energy levels, and a real improvement in their overall health.
Metformin wasn't doing a thing to bring my levels down, but as soon as I started using Gluxion, my blood sugar levels dropped dramatically from the first day I started taking it.